Welcome back to another Modisoft back office video. My name is Jonathan, and today we're going to be going over on how you can import your email invoices into Modisoft. So whenever you place your order to your vendors, such as Coca-Cola, for example, some of your vendors do have the ability to send back your invoices via email, which will contain an EDI file that you are able to import into the Modisoft back office. So long gone are those days where you get those paper invoices and you have to spend time one by one entering your invoices manually. You now have the capability to enter your invoices via your EDI files that you receive from your vendor. If for any reason you hit this video by mistake and you do want to learn on how to manually enter invoices because maybe you're not getting EDI invoices, you can click in the top right corner here on this video and it will take you to the video where you are able to learn how to import your invoices manually. In order to import your invoices in Modisoft, you're going to have to go into the purchases section. So you want to click on the menu icon in the top left corner, go to products and to purchases. Once you land on this page, depending on how you paid that invoice, you are able to go via either cash, check, credit, or if you have a deli and you're getting a deli invoice, you can do cash through deli. So for this example, we're just going to go ahead and create a daily invoice that you may have received already via your email. So click on Add New Record, and then based on the vendor that you placed the order from, so for example, we'll just do Borden, create an invoice number, and then save it. Once you do that, just go ahead and click on the Purchases button right here. It will open up the page and section where you are able to import your invoices. So you're going to want to go to the item detailed entry section. And normally this is where you would enter an invoice manually, but since you are not doing that and you actually have the file that your vendor has given you via email, maybe you've downloaded it on your computer, you can actually go down here where it shows import invoice on the bottom right here on the screen. Click on that. And then here where it says choose file type, you're going to want to keep it on EDI. You are able to select from this list here and then upload that file. So for this example, we're just going to go ahead and do the standard EDI invoice type. Select the file, and then we will go ahead and click here in our computer where that file is located and hit open. So once that opens up, it's actually going to pull that entire vendor order and your entire purchase will be uploaded here on the screen. So if you have any brand new items, which on this demo, there are no new items in this particular vendor invoice, you would actually see like a yellow line that would go across the entire scan code and description of the item so that it will inform you that this is a brand new item and you need to go ahead and assign it a department. So in order to do that, you would actually click on that item, or if there's multiple items and maybe they're on the same department, you can click multiple checkboxes at the same time. And if they're all the same department, you can update them all with the same department values. Now, once you've updated your departments, you do have the ability to edit each item individually, although I wouldn't recommend doing that here because if you do have a lot of items that need to be edited, it would be a lot easier to just save the file and then edit them on the actual main page. The good thing about editing them individually is so as if maybe you have one or two items that maybe you need to edit, you can do that really quick before you save it. So for now, let's just go ahead and save the file. Once that happens, it's going to actually load your entire invoice on this page. So once you get to this page, you'll notice that everything is here from the invoice. The cost in retail is also here. So with this cost value, you want to go ahead and you want to verify that this cost matches the invoice that you received in your email. Or if you have a portal that you log into for your vendor, just check that portal, verify that that cost value is matching. If for any reason it's not matching, then you may have to go in and check some of these items, just verify that maybe they entered something wrong on the invoice, and then you can actually manually edit it either by clicking on a specific column or a specific row. You're able to edit the values such as the case cost and anything here that you see and save all those changes. Once you have verified that everything is complete, everything is done, you can just go ahead and click Save and Close. Now, if for any reason you do receive this image here, it just means that in that invoice or that you have received, that there is no retail that has been assigned to any of the to maybe one or more items in this invoice. So you have the ability that if you want to go ahead and fix it, then you can just click OK and it'll basically take you back to the screen so that you can update all of those zero retail value items. Now, if for any reason you don't want to do that, you just want to go ahead and just save it and move on, you can click on Continue, and then that will take you back to your main purchases screen. We hope that you found this guide useful in better understanding your Modisoft back office. Please like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you will always be up to date on your Modisoft back office. Thank you and have a wonderful day.